So I'm Jethro MacDonald. I'm the product manager of AI machine learning in our innovation lab at SmartStream. So really what I look to do is how we can use the latest technology in our suite of products to better our products and also improve the process for our clients. Now, a number of the solutions that we offer around reconciliation, but we also have solutions around expense management, liquidity, cash and liquidity management, and also RDU, our reference data utility. From a reconciliation or regulatory point of view, we help clients with reconciliations of their regulatory data, and then we also have reference data to complement that as well in the RDU.
That must be huge for a lot of regulated institutions, especially ones that we speak with. They're often operating at scale and in a heavily regulated industry such as finance and banking. So with that in mind, we're seeing regulations such as MiFID II, MiFIR come in. How can artificial intelligence actively be used currently to help these institutions, these organizations, deal with these regulatory changes?
Yeah, of course. So, I mean, we're helping them quickly onboard some of the controls that they need using AI. So if they've got their front office system and the regulator, we can easily work out how that data comes together and present back a control if they need to meet a regulatory deadline or anything like that. We also are looking at, how we can use AI to then tell us how the data comes together across multiple entities to see if there are any reporting differences.
Yeah.
That a firm might have between their peers. And this is huge, right? There's validation rules and things like that in place at the moment in regulation, but that doesn't actually tell you whether what you're reporting is necessarily correct versus your peers. So it's a really good use of AI.
Yeah, having that single view, that single version of truth across multiple different platforms, that must be the key. I mean, what does visibility do, and how can artificial intelligence actually provide that view?
Yeah, of course. So I mean, if you've got enough data, and AI really is a lot more powerful with the more data you have. So in the transaction reporting world, if you have all these different transactions from loads of different entities, you can actually look across and see how different firms are reporting this. And you can flag then versus your peer if there's any gaps or if you're reporting something slightly differently, where from a validation point of view, there's nothing wrong, but actually versus the market, you might be off.